If you're broke, you're in the right place at the right time, because I'm broke too. And I need to do this myself. So we gonna do it together. All right. So broke, backs against the wall, you may not have a car. If you do have a cell phone and some type of internet, download the Favorited app. It's Favorited. They're like TikTok. You only need 25 subscribers or followers to go live. And from there, network, meet people, vibe out. 70% is pretty big for any social media when it comes to gifts. If you're familiar with battling, you keep 70% of that money. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna go live no matter what. Okay? I'm still trying to put this together for myself, but you're gonna go live no matter what. Okay? You're gonna go live 24/7. I don't care what it is. Even if you don't feel like going live, you're not gonna miss a single day. Don't go in people's lives asking for followers. Just vibe out, follow them. Most of the time, people do follow back on Favorited. So we can't wait for nothing. We're gonna change both of our lives at this point. I've made a pretty good amount on Favorited, but I know I can make more. So I'm gonna put my link in there for y'all to join at the bottom. Like and subscribe. And now I'm finna go over some other stuff, because I know everybody not with the gifting stuff. So if you have a car, it's time to do Uber. No matter what, just keep doing it. We need you to get all the way up to diamond status. I'm still in blue. It's tough. People don't like the tip. We understand, but the money coming in is what we trying to do. Is what we trying to do. If you have a Walmart near you, try to apply for Walmart Spark. I'm gonna put all these codes at the bottom so y'all can connect and see what works for you, okay? Walmart Spark, they pay the best. Low mileage versus Uber and Lyft. Uber have you traveling across the whole country and you only get paid $5. Walmart, they got your back. Walmart Spark has your back. Some people say DoorDash. I'm not gonna put that in the link because I don't believe in giving y'all some information that I don't know can work. I don't see how DoorDash is working for anybody. But hey, I mean, even F with TikTok if you can. That's gonna take some time, but Favorited, all you need is 25 followers. Get 25 followers, network with people. Let's do this, guys. And if you've had success with Favorited or Walmart Spark, put it in the comments, man. Let people see that this is real. If you're some type of diamond, let us know. If you're an Uber diamond or something, let us know that works, because we're broke. We're trying to figure this out. Next time y'all see me, hope y'all be a millionaire and partner on YouTube. Hopefully this video reaches people's ears. And good luck to everybody. Thank you. And if Favorited isn't available in your country, hey, it will be soon. Hopefully it'll go global soon, but that is a cheat code right there. We need more people on that app. 70% versus 50% that you usually get on TikTok and stuff. So see y'all there. And thank you. Like and subscribe, and I'll holler at you later.